Hey guys, welcome. I'm Parshvika. Welcome to the channel where we talk a lot about making money online as a creative person, as an artist. Today video, we're gonna take a look at the birthday guide. Recently, Zazzle refreshed their page about the birthday creator guide for 2024. We're gonna take a look at the niches, the products that you could actually target if you're interested in targeting the birthdays, and also some of the niches that we're gonna be covering will not just cater to the birthday, but also to the other thing like the wedding, bridal shower, baby shower. You can also put it to the business niches, different niches as well, these ideas, these designs, these trends. So let's talk about that. Before that, give this video a big thumbs up, consider subscribing for more such videos. We have a lot of the free content, the links are in description box below. You could also very well grab the Zazzle products, the 3 products, Zazzle workbook planner, PDF download, the link is in description. Second is a beginner's kit, step-by-step tutorials, in-depth tutorial to help you get started and make money. The third is the ebook. You can very well check it out. Also, we have the audiobook, so 4 products. All the product links are in description. You can check it out. But let's dive into my laptop and we're gonna take a look at the creator guide for the birthday 2024. Let's do it. Zazzle and creator guide for birthdays 2024. So if you're targeting for the birthdays, this is exactly the thing that we're going to help you if you're targeting the birthday niche. What's trending right now? This is a creative guide that Zazzle released recently. It's actually revisited. They released in the beginning of the year, I think, but this is a revisited, refresh. So let's take a look at that, which you can target. Of this creator guide page, you can see, you can actually look at the different products that have been featured. Like you can see the woodland animals or the wild animals. That could be the one niche. You could also see the animal skin pattern, that kind of stuff. The same is here, the pattern, the simple yellow beige niche with the animals. That could be the one niche that you could target. Another is what's trending right now, like the social media trends. So the fairy tale magic trend, enchant your world with modern princes and princesses, ethereal fairies in the forest, and whimsical mushroom decor. So this is something that you can experiment. It's not just for the Zazzle. If you're also looking for Redbubble or anywhere you would like to sell the birthday stuff, you could take a look at that. You can actually combine the fairy tale with the like a prince or princess, and you can combine with them. You can also use the Etsy as a research tool to research it. Now you can see they have featured the platform for where they get this resource, marymary.com. The another idea is the boat idea. Now this one is very interesting. You cannot just use only for the birthdays. You can also use for bridal shower, baby showers, also for the wedding, or also for the businesses. You could see how the bow goes with this here. Now you could have a different color bow if you are, this is like for a girly kind of thing, but if you're going for the man, you could have a black bow or a white bow, or like white bow in the black background, or you could have a red bow. That thing you could also do. Another trend is a retro revival trend. Now retro has been there, I think, from quite a lot many years. Not a lot many years, quite a couple of the years, and you can see it's still been there, and you still can target with the combination of the 90s nostalgia, something like that. A little bit more trends. Now this is the backdrops with the floral neon signs, unique balloons. So that thing you could also target with the neon textures, neon backgrounds. You could also target the tablescapes, like with the trends with the retro revival. Again, you can see with that, but you can actually have the wow factors or something like balloons or stars or something like that. Another is the Let's Party. Now this one is the newly added. This is recently they have added. So this is, take a look at this and you would like it. I like it. Like this one is a lush green fairways, pristine white golf balls. So like if you are not just golf balls, you can remove the golf balls of the background. You can see the lush green. Or you can combine with the bright yellow, cool blues, rich black. That could also be working as the fall season. Like if you are targeting right now, you could also target for the fall. And fall comes with a bright yellow, orange, red, that kind of like a very vibrant colors, bohemian type of colors. Or you could have a lush green. That kind of stuff could be there. Either you could have a fun phrases, like you can see, join us for a party, or create eye-catching banners with slogans such as welcome to the second hole. There are so many creative ways to incorporate golf phrases into designs and products. So this is the another thing that you can take a look into that. Like you can combine the fun phrases with a golf party or it could be a pool party, or you could also have it as maybe a kitchen party, cooking party, baking party. Like, you can be more creative and play around with the different ideas and see what works. Another is the whether it's for the kids or the adult, the theme is in the whole in one, a goal theme. Birthday party celebrates the love of the game, so that's another, like golf. They're more focusing on the golf, but you can incorporate other games as well. Now this is for the bow. So if you want to go with the bow trend, now this is a bow floral. I like this particular trend because I like the bow, and when you're combining the bow with the floral, it's like combining the two niches together, bow with the floral, and you can bridge the gap and you can come up with a lot more ideas, not just for the birthdays. It could be for the wedding as well, bridal, baby showers. You could literally do it for any other niche out there. We're gonna take a look at these products, guys, okay? So first let's take a look at the general trends, general guide, and then we're gonna go deep into the products that we could target. Another is the trend millennial retro. Now retro is there popular, very popular, so you can combine it with the different age groups. Like they have combined it here with the millennials, and you can see how it's actually looking like neon colors. Like you can see the retro 90 funks, neon, cassette tape, arcades, laser glow millennial, that kind of stuff is there. Also you could have like the LED signs or the edible treats, like you get the point. Another is a roller disco. Now this one could you be catering to the with the boys as well, with the girls as well, and you can play around with that. Like the paper plate is very common. Now this has been, I think this has been in the trend for quite a long time, and now they have put them in the this section, the birthday, so that's another. This is one of my favorite niche out there, is under the sea. Like if you are illustrating, I love to illustrate my animals. I love to illustrate animals a lot, especially the sea animals. So if you're creating one, then that is exactly for you, that you could have mermaids or different animals, tortoises, turtles, and you can combine with them with the birthday niches and you can have it. If you're not interested in the animal, you could also have the sea plants and sea animals, or the seaweeds or the corals, or you could have a beaches. Like sky's the limit. Think outside the box. You don't have to reinvent the wheel, but you can go and adapt and figure it out the way you like to. The most important thing over here, guys, if you are interested in these niches, then it will going to really help you go more deep dive into that. But if you don't enjoy these things, if you don't like it, please don't go for it, because even if you go for it, you won't put your heart into it. We only put the heart in the things where we like it, we enjoy it, or we have fun doing it, or that makes us happy. For me, I love animals and I love illustrating animals. It's very fun, and I love kidsy designs, watercolor stuff. So that's why this is the niche that I love to target. But if you're not interested in this niche, then you could very well target, look for other. The point over here is that I'm actually opening the doors for you, or actually showcasing that there's so many ways in which you can design and can actually make money. You just don't need to focus on one niche, one product idea or something like that. You can do something totally of your own and still make a significant amount of money that could help you support your lifestyle. So if you are interested in sea animals, then go with that. Pick up the thing that you are interested in, that you like to have it, and then go deep dive into that, because you're only going to go deep dive into something that you like it. If you don't like it, you're going to stop doing it. It's okay. It's all about having fun along with creating designs and making money. Another one is the camping, the sleep under. The camping is like a summer trend right now. It's going to be trending. Obviously winter camps would be there too, but still it's camping. It's trending right now. You could go with that. And you could have a sleepovers or a camping party invitations, or you can see like here the favors. I love to create favors more than the invitations. Anyways, this is some international trends. It's actually based in UK, Australia, France and beyond. So you can see this is the UK and Australia. 18th birthday is a big deal. So in UK and Australia, it's 18 is the big deal, much like 24th is in the States, and in the Canada, it's 19th birthday. So if you're actually targeting the UK and Australia niche, then this is the something that you could look for, the 18th birthday invitations for the men and the women, for the girls and the boys, whatever. This is another Feliz Cumpleaños. You could actually have the different languages. You could have in Spanish, Portuguese, or different languages, invitations and products. This is in the Spanish. You could also have the birthdays all around the world, like especially catering to like 50th birthday, 40th birthday, something like that. You could also cater to that. Now this is the most juicy part, popular themes, designs and products. Let's quickly take a look at that. We have already covered over here the bow floral party golf, and we have also covered here the retro smiles, mushrooms, fairy tale magic, retro revival. We have already seen that. You can go more deep dive and you can see what you could actually target over here and figure it out. This is like a newly added, they have added recently. The keywords that you could use is the funny 65th birthday cards, doctor cards, to some of the collections here. In that, you can take a look at the products they have used for this design. The collections for the adult day. This is for the kids collection and this is for the adult. Now you can see it's pretty simple. The products, they have combined the black with the green, with the floral, kind of like the shade in the Queen's eras. Obviously it's targeting for the female audience. So you would be having like a fairy tales, like you can combine the bow with the floral here, or you could have under the sea as well, or you could have a disco, you could have fairy tales. Like we can see this is the collection that they have featured. Take a look at what we can figure it out and we can find the product. So first we're gonna figure it out, the products related to the birthdays that are already there trending and already selling. So let's go back again to the Zazzle only, like fairy. You can just type the fairy and birthday and take a look at the products that are targeting, because this is not an invitation at all. This is sticky favor, but you can see the fairy tales if you want to go with the fairy tales. The next niche we can take a look at it is the bow floral. I love this niche because I think it's something new and unique, combining the two niches together. It's only 673 search results with a bow floral birthday, so that means there is a demand in this niche. They have already mentioned. So you can take a look at this particular product here. Now it's a baby shower product, okay, but still you can see the idea and you can combine it for the birthdays, okay. That's why I covered that these niches are not just for birthdays, you can have it for other as well. Bow with the floral niches over here. And next we're going to take a look at the, so you can see they have combined here the retro revival that was there on the critter guide. So retro is there with the disco, so you can see here the disco vibes, the party invitations, the birthday parties. Or just simply type C, okay. If you don't want to go with the animals, you can just have a C or the plants. 55,000 search results. That's very competitive. You can submit songs like mermaid, glitter, under the sea girl, rainbow, magical kids collection. You can take a look at this, the sea animal birthday collection, the magical mermaid. It's an invitation, but it's a collection, so that means it's there on the other product as well. Like for example, if I take a look at the paper plate, see how it's looking, mermaid food. This is one of the example where you combine the under the sea with the birthday. Let's take a look at the other niche. It's 12,000 search results. Now obviously you can sub niche down like the modern mountains, woodland and all that stuff, and you can pick up the niche. But this is the one that we can see. It's actually the collection. Let's take a look at this collection. This is perfect. First birthday, one happy camper wood boys. So that's the niche that they were actually mentioning over here. If you just scroll down a little bit here and you see the first birthday, they are mentioning over here the one happy camper. You see over here one happy camper, and this is the same thing they have used in this particular product, one happy camper. William is one happy camper. So that's kind of like it's an editor pick design, obviously, because it's actually trending right now. And these are the products that you can target with this. Spooky one dirtful birthday, like you can also target according to this. But this was a perfect that you could see. That's it for this birthday guide for 2024. Hopefully you find this video useful. Do let me know what you think in the comment section below. Your questions, your comments, your queries are really welcome. If you want me to make a video on any specific topic, if you have any questions, let me know. I'll make a video on that because I love to do that. But that's it for this video. I'll see you the next time. Till then, take care. Bye guys.